Knorr liquid seasoning is a key ingredient in countless Filipino dishes. Now, as you can see here, it looks a lot like soy sauce, and it has some flavor characteristics that are similar because both soy sauce and Knorr liquid seasoning start with soy. But what's different here is there's sugars, so it's sweet, and there's MSG, which really ramps up that beefy, savory note. Now, Knorr liquid seasoning can be used both as an ingredient in the kitchen and as a condiment on the table. You can marinate in it, you can use it in sauces, or just put it on as a finishing. Now, you may be thinking, Knorr doesn't sound like a Filipino name, and you're right. It's actually from the same company that makes the bouillon cubes. It's a German company that started in the 19th century. And as they spread across the globe in the 20th century, they created local products designed as convenience shortcuts for home cooks to make dishes that they were already making less complicated. And that's the origin of Knorr liquid seasoning. It became so popular in the Philippines, they came up with flavor variations. So you can buy garlic, barbecue, calamansi, which is a very sour citrus fruit, chili versions of this. There's a lot of flavor in this little bottle.
Want more new recipes and stories from Cook's Country?
Then sign up for our Cook's Country email newsletter. It's free.
Our newsletter takes you behind the scenes with the people and the recipes changing the way America cooks.
Plus, you'll also get a sneak peek of upcoming recipes from the magazine, beloved recipes from previous seasons, and so much more.
Just scan the QR code or visit cookscountry.com to sign up and start getting your free email newsletter today. We hope you enjoyed this video and tune in for more.
Hit those like and subscribe buttons so you never miss a single one.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime, anywhere, and always ad-free.
Plus, you'll gain unlimited access to all of America's Test Kitchen fail-proof recipes, unbiased reviews, fresh episodes, exclusive offers, and more.
Just scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial. And while you're there, sign up for our free newsletter and download our app.
And let's make something great together.